We're watching a oh, I just saw lightning. Oh. I'm recording. This is a hailstorm, people. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And just a huge clap of thunder. The hail is getting bigger. It wasn't that big a little while ago, but now it's just, this is unreal. I've never seen anything like this. Looks like it's snowing, for crying out loud. And it's cold out there. Insane.
Yep, filled up the pond.
Oh, look at it come down. Oh my goodness. Wow. There's my new dragon out there. Poor guy in the hail. Wow. Wonder if we're going to have any more thunder and lightning. That was pretty cool. Wow.
Buddha's getting a lap full.
Yeah, he is. That's incredible. I don't think I've ever seen a hailstorm quite like this before.
Not here.